Hello student, this is video number 3. What? This is video number 3 of chapter active and passive voice. In this video, what I will tell you, in this video we will cover present continuous tense. We have covered in the last video. So in this video we will cover present perfect tense. What? We will cover present perfect tense. Okay, present perfect tense. I will tell you how active and passive voice will be converted when the active voice which is given to you is present perfect tense. Okay, so I will write an example and I will also tell you a rule to change active into passive if the sentence is of present perfect tense. Okay, so what we will write, first of all we have to just see, I will change of subject into object. Okay, so first of all we have to write it. Afterwards what we have to add, we have to add shall, we have to add has, have, been, has not have been, we have to add, and after has, after have been, plus third form, what? Plus third form of verb. What? Third form of verb we have to add. Okay students, so when we have added the third form of verb, I will take the example of this. As you can see, I have written I have, जैसे कि मैंने लिखा I have always helped needy people. I have always helped needy people. What? Needy people. Okay, I have always helped needy people. So I have to convert it into it is active and I have to convert it into passive voice. Okay, so I have always helped needy people. So object is needy people. As you can see, object जो है वो needy people है. So needy people will be converted into subject. जो needy people है, it will come in the place of subject. So needy people. So needy people, and we have to add has or have. So as we know, has will come when it is singular. Okay, and have will come when it is plural. As needy people is plural, so we will add have. Needy people have always been. What? Always. Needy people have always been helped. What? Needy people will always be helped by me. Okay, so this will be the sentence. Okay students, so we have to write it like this. So we have converted active voice into passive voice. So this was the example in which I have converted present perfect tense. So as we can rub it. Moving to the second part, you have to take out a page number 63, and on that page number it is written that simple past tense. What? On that page it is written simple past tense. Okay, so on that simple past tense, what is written? Simple past tense, change of subject into passive. Rule क्या है sir? Rule is change of subject into object. Okay, the first thing is this, change of subject into object. We have to do this, and after that what we have to do? We have to add was verb. As we can see, it is past, जैसे कि past है, so we have to add was or verb. And after adding was or verb plus third form. What? Third form of the verb. Okay, third form of the verb, and plus by, and afterwards we have to add the object. What? We have to add the object. ठीक है, so this will be the rule for changing active voice into passive voice or passive voice into active voice in simple past tense. Right? First of all, change the subject into object or object into subject. Okay, mark was or one where verb as may be the case, and third form of the verb plus by and object. Okay, so I will explain you today an example. The chief minister. As you can see, the chief minister appointed Gokul. The chief minister appointed Gokul as his IT advisor. What? IT advisor. Okay. So this is subject. ये subject है, chief minister is subject and IT advisor is object here. So what we will do? And our object is IT advisor along with the chief minister appointed Gokul as his IT advisor. Okay. So we know that Gokul is object. Okay. So Gokul was. Okay, Gokul and afterwards was वर्ग में से क्या आया? Was. Gokul was appointed. Gokul was appointed. Gokul was appointed as IT advisor. IT advisor. Gokul was appointed as IT advisor by the chief minister. What? By the chief minister. Okay. Minister. So this will be the case here. Moving to the fourth one. For next you have to take out the page number 64, and on page number 64 it is written past continuous tense. What? Past continuous tense. Okay students, so past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, what will be the rule? The rule will be change subject into object. Okay, change subject into object, or you can also change object into subject. Okay, plus here will be was or were, and along with was or what will be here? Being. Why is being added? Being is added because it is continuous tense. Okay, so that's why being is added with was, were, and afterwards third form of verb. Okay, third form of verb will be added, and plus by and the rest. So this will be the content here. Change subject into object or object into subject, and add was or were as may be the case. Add was if it is singular, and add were it will be plural. Okay students, and afterwards being will be added plus third form of the verb and by and the rest one. Okay, so I will take example. The example is I was not driving the car at that time. I was not driving the car at that time. Okay, I was not driving the car at that time. Okay, so object will be the car. Okay, or we can say car will be object. So car, along with car, what I have to add? Was or were. So I will use was. Okay, car was not being. Not being will be added, or driven. What? Car was not being driven. Car was not being driven at that time. What? At that time. So I recommend you should look at the page number 64 so that you can understand this example. Okay students, so I will rub it, and we are moving to the last, which is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. So we are talking about past perfect tense, then what will happen? Okay, so moving to the past perfect tense, it is also on the page number 64. I will write here page number 64, so there will be no confusion in mind of you. Okay, so change subject into object. What? Change subject into object. Change subject into object, or vice versa. Plus had been. What? Add had been to it. Plus third form of verb. What? Third form of verb, along with by and along with the rest of the thing which comment हो. Past perfect tense में क्या करना है आपको? Change subject into object or object into subject. Okay, plus had been and add third form of verb and also add by and also add the above one. So we will write the next one. The next thing is this. Meena had completed all her assignments before her departure. Meena had completed all her assignments before her departure. What? Before her departure. Okay, so Meena had completed all her assignments before her departure. So what here I will have to complete that. First of all, we will add subject. What? All her assignments. All, we are converting all her assignments. Okay, all her assignments are subject here, and we have to add had been. All her assignments had been complete, will be here complete and completed. What? Completed. All her assignments had been completed by Meena. What? By Meena. So this will be converted.